Our universe has four forces of nature: weak force, strong force, electromagnetic force, and weight. Gravitational force. But how they can work together as can be in the perfect balance? First, you might be familiar with electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force tells us that there always exists a force between objects with electric charge. Forces today as a friction and magnetic, they are part of electromagnetics. The matter particle is a photon, and the photon has no mass, and having no mass allows interaction only with electric charge, traveling at the speed of the light. You experience electromagnetic force all over the places without realizing it thanks to the negative charged electrons. Even magnets that are attracting each other only get so close before the electrons in their atom repel them enough to stop them from touching. Similar charge repels. There always exists a force between those objects, like that. This means that the atoms never actually touch. Weak force. The first seems to be a contact interaction. It has an extremely short range, essentially zero, namely beta decay. The weak force carrier, W and C, the W can be either positive charge or negative charge, while C is neutral. A strong force. A strong force. This force is responsible for binding of nucleus. This force is so strong that binds and stabilizes the proton of similar charge within a nucleus. However, it's very short range, so such force will be the field beyond the other 1 femtometer. It's responsible for binding together the fundamental particles of matter to form largest particles. That means that holds your atom together. In two ways. First, keep the protons in the nucleus and despite their repulsion force. Secondly, the strong force connects quarks to form protons and neutrons. For example, the atomic bomb. As we know, protons and neutrons are made up of quarks. There are always 2 up quarks and down quarks in a proton, and 2 down quarks and an up quark in a neutron. Gravitational force. No, it's a force that attracts any object with mass. Every object, including you, is pulling on every other object in the entire universe. Newton's law of the gravity states mean that the gravitation force between 2 bodies is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. You are interacting with the first fundamental force of nature. The weak force cannot see it. The electromagnetic force is the small atoms that are touching my bicycle at this very moment. The strong force is in the atom that holds matter together. And the gravitational force, without it, right now, could be taking a spacewalk. I hope that you understand the 4 fundamental forces of nature.